welcome to Math. I'm so excited that you've made it. Today we are working in Unit 1, Lesson 7. I opened up my online school, logged in, clicked on my Math Plus Blue course. I then clicked on Unit 1, Lesson 7. Today's lesson is sizes, shapes, and colors. The first thing that we need to do is gather all of our materials. You will need your lesson guide. You will also need your activity book. And you will need blocks AA, BB, CC, EE, DD, FF, and GG of all colors. Please pause. You will also need crayons. Please pause this video while you gather your supplies. Great! Now that you've gotten all your supplies, let's get started. We're going to start with our lesson guide. In our lesson guide, we can find this page that explains our lesson. Today, we will be doing 5 minutes online days of the week. 5 minutes online, play the matching game. 10 minutes online, Rosa's colorful shape necklace. 5 minutes online, do you know colors, shapes, and sizes? 10 minutes offline, very large, and then 10 minutes offline, checkpoint. The prerequisite skills for this lesson is to identify common plane figures such as circle, triangle, square, and rectangle. Your student should be able to describe objects by their attributes such as color, shape, and size, and name the days of the week. These are your materials that you should have. And we're going to get started with this lesson. First, we're going to do the online portions of this lesson. Before the lesson starts, there is video 4 of 4, which is our last video for learning coaches, troubleshooting typical problems. Am I the only learning coach who's having trouble with this? Across the country, thousands of learning coaches like you are dealing with similar challenges. Maybe your student says that he hates a subject, or maybe your student says that he's bored. In the video, Troubleshooting Typical Problems, the 4th of 4 videos in this series, we'll talk about ways to address some of these common concerns. Click on the link to watch the video. You may skip this video if you've already viewed it in another course. As always, check in with your student's teacher if you have any questions. Before we start the lesson, we're going to learn about the days of the week. There are 7 days in a week. The first day of the week is Sunday. Here are the days in order. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Go to the next screen to practice saying the days in order. Put the days in the week in the correct order on the calendar. Then click a day and drag it into the correct blue box. Before we get started, I'm going to teach you a little song that I like to sing to remember the days of the week. It goes a little like this. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. There's Sunday and there's Monday, there's Tuesday and there's Wednesday, there's Thursday and there's Friday, and then there's Saturday. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. All right, so let's sing our song. There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Let's sing our song one more time. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. Way to go! Give yourself a round of applause. You did that calendar awesome today. The first part of our lesson is we are going to play the matching game. You know 3 ways to tell about a shape. These are the attributes. You can name its color, name, and size. Match each shape to the word that tells about it. Go to the next screen to begin. Drag each shape to the box that describes the picture. This says triangle. We're going to find the triangle. Red triangle. Good job. This says circle. Let's find the circle. Green circle. Way to go. This says square. Let's find the square. Blue square. And brown rectangle. Way to go, guys. If you need more practice with that, please pause this video and complete that activity. Wonderful. The next part is Rosa's colorful shape necklace. Rosa likes making necklaces with beads of many different colors. Use what you know about shapes, sizes, and colors to put beads on Rosa's necklace. I'm making a charm necklace. Help me describe the bead I'm holding using the chart on the bottom of the screen. First, click on the color of my bead. Then, click on the shape of my bead. Last, click on the size of my bead. Alright, so the first thing that we're going to do is click on the color. Blue. There's a triangle and a large one. Oh, we did one incorrect. We selected one correct. Let's try again. Blue, square, small. We selected 2 correct. So you see how tricky this can be. So I really want you to pause this video and do this activity. Way to go, guys. That was tricky. You did awesome with that. It's okay. You see that I did some of them incorrect, and that is okay. I did that so you could see that it's okay to make mistakes, and you guys can practice and work on that at home. Learn from your mistakes. It's okay to get some of them wrong. Now that you have completed that activity with Rosa, we're going to complete the offline activity. You will follow directions to color a shape picture. Then you will answer questions about the shapes. You will have crayons and the very large activity page from your activity book. Your learning coach is going to read the directions with you. So here is the very large activity page. Make sure you write your name at the top of your paper. This is on sizes, shapes, and colors. You're going to color the shapes in the picture as the key shows you. So all the circles down here on this picture will be yellow. All the rectangles will be blue. All of the triangles will be green. And all of the squares will be red. Please pause this video and color the berry activity page. Wonderful job, guys. Now, you're going to complete page 16. You're going to read each problem and circle the answer. What shape is shown here? You're going to complete questions 1, 2, and 3. Please pause this video while you complete those questions. Remember that the answers are on the lesson guide to help you. Now we're going to move on to the next portion of the online activity.
Let's look at shapes first. They look different, but they're really the same shape. Look at these shapes. Are they the same? If you think they are the same, click yes. If you think they are different, click no. Then click check.
Do you think they're the same? I think you're right. They are all the same shape, they just have a different orientation, which means they are turned a different way.
Let's look at colors. One is a heart and one is an arrow. Both are green. Here are more colored figures. They are different colors, shapes, and sizes. Click on all the green figures. Then click check.
Help me find the green. Green arrow, green heart, green star. Those are all green.
Now let's look at sizes. Here are two different colored smiley faces. One is large and one is small. Here are two different colored arrows. Click the large arrow, then click check.
Which one is larger? The yellow. Great job. The green one is smaller.
Here are two different colored stars. Click the small star, then click check.
Which one is smaller? The blue. Way to go. The green star is large. If you need more practice with that, you may pause this video and complete that activity. Now you're going to complete the lesson checkpoint. Please make sure that you take your time and complete it to the best of your ability. Your checkpoint has three questions. Complete all three questions, and for learning coaches, you also have an answer key that is on your lesson guide as well. Once you have completed the checkpoint and you feel confident that you have mastered this lesson, then you may mark this lesson complete. Great work, guys. I hope you found this video helpful, and I hope you have a great day. Bye.